The Chief of Staff to Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari, Abba Kyari, is dead. Mr. Abba Kyari died on coronavirus. He received treatment at private hospital in Lagos. His death was announced by presidential spokesman Femi Adesina in earlier Saturday. Chief of the Staff to Mr. President Abba Kyari died on Friday, 17th of April 2020. Mr. Adesina later sent a short message saying the president should regret to announce the passing out of Chief of Staff to the President Abba Kyari, who died on coronavirus on Friday, 17th of April 2020. Abba Kyari on March 23rd tested positive for coronavirus. On March 29, Mr. Abba Kyari issued a statement on his decision to move to Lagos for further tests and observation. His statement was the first official confirmation of COVID-19 status since he was confirmed positive 6 days earlier. In his statement, he said he has made his own care arrangement to avoid further bothering the public health system. Some Nigerians on social media also speculated that Mr. Abba Kyari was flying abroad, where Mr. Abba Kyari received treatment in private hospital in Lagos. The Minister of Health also warned private hospitals against treating COVID-19 patients in their facilities. He said instead they should refer suspected cases to various public facilities across the state. Although Mr. Abba Kyari and government he served did not disclose the hospital where he was treated, some sources suggested that he was treated at First Cardiology Consultant (FCC), a high-sought private health facility located in Ikoyi, Lagos. One of the sources, who did not want to be named due to patient confidentiality guidelines and sensitivity of Mr. Abba Kyari cases, told one of the reporters that the Chief of Staff later became sick. Well, Mr. Abba Kyari received treatment at private hospital in Lagos. The Minister of Health also warned private hospitals against treating COVID-19 patients in their facility. He said they should refer suspected cases to various public facilities across the state. It is unclear Saturday morning if Mr. Abba Kyari's death is among the four deaths announced by the Nigeria NCDC. The NCDC said Nigeria's death toll increased to 7 on Thursday, when on Friday it was increased to 19. Nigeria has 493 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including the 17th deaths, where 157 people have recovered and have been discharged. Mr. Abba Kyari had traveled to Germany on March 7th and returned about a week later. That was when he started suspected to have contracted the disease over there in Europe. They both traveled to Germany to meet with officials of Siemens AG in pursuit of the deal recently signed between the Nigerian government and the energy company toward improving the electricity supply in this country. The Chief of Staff, who was in Europe alongside with the Minister of Power, returned back to the